Bella Pro SmartCrisp Air Fryer. Don't miss out. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Bella Pro SmartCrisp 8-quart touchscreen air fryer. This is model number 90223, SKU 6583884, and it's creating quite a buzz online, with an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, and a fantastic 467 reviews. This air fryer has everyone talking, but here's the important part. This amazing deal won't last long. You have just 7 hours, 40 minutes, and 51 seconds to get this fantastic air fryer for only $59.99. First things first, let's talk about what this bad boy brings to the table. The Bella Pro SmartCrisp is not just any air fryer, it's a game changer in the kitchen. Imagine having a device that can handle all your cooking needs with ease and efficiency. This air fryer is designed to make your culinary adventures more enjoyable and less stressful. The Bella Pro SmartCrisp boasts a massive 8-quart capacity, which is perfect for those big family dinners, or when you have guests over. You won't have to worry about cooking in batches or running out of space. This air fryer can handle it all in one go, meaning you can cook for the entire bloody family without breaking a sweat. Whether it's a holiday feast or a weekend get-together, this air fryer has got you covered. Imagine preparing a whole chicken, a batch of fries, and some roasted veggies all at once. It's a dream come true for any home cook. That's right. No more slaving over a hot stove for hours on end. We've all been there, spending what feels like an eternity in the kitchen, juggling multiple pots and pans. With the Bella Pro SmartCrisp, those days are over. You can set it and forget it, letting the air fryer do all the hard work while you relax or focus on other tasks. This air fryer is here to make your life easier and your food tastier. It's not just about convenience, it's about elevating your cooking game. The Bella Pro SmartCrisp ensures that every meal you prepare is cooked to perfection, with a crispy exterior and a juicy interior. Now let's talk about ease of use, shall we? This air fryer is designed with the user in mind. You don't need to be a professional chef to operate it. In fact, it's so straightforward that anyone can use it, regardless of their cooking skills. This ain't no complicated piece of restaurant-grade equipment. It's built for the everyday home cook who wants to make delicious meals without the hassle. The Bella Pro SmartCrisp is all about simplicity and efficiency. The touchscreen interface is so intuitive, even a culinary dunce could figure it out. With just a few taps, you can set the temperature, cooking time, and choose from various presets. It's like having a personal chef at your fingertips. And don't even get me started on the efficiency. This air fryer is a powerhouse when it comes to cooking speed. You'll be amazed at how quickly it can whip up a meal, saving you precious time in the kitchen. This air fryer cooks your food up to 70% faster than traditional ovens. That's right, 70%. Imagine cutting your cooking time by more than half. It's a game changer for busy families and anyone who values their time. You'll be saving time and energy, which means more time to focus on what really matters: enjoying your delicious, crispy food. No more waiting around for the oven to preheat or for your food to cook. With the Bella Pro SmartCrisp, you can have a hot, delicious meal on the table in no time. We're talking perfectly golden French fries, juicy chicken wings, and so much more. The Bella Pro SmartCrisp can handle a variety of dishes, from appetizers to main courses to desserts. It's versatile and reliable, making it a must-have in any kitchen, and even crispy vegetables that would make a vegetarian weep with joy. Whether you're cooking for a meat lover or a veggie enthusiast, this air fryer delivers every time. It's all about bringing out the best flavors and textures in your food. This air fryer does it all, and it does it bloody well. From quick weeknight dinners to elaborate weekend feasts, the Bella Pro SmartCrisp is your go-to kitchen companion. It's time to take your cooking to the next level and enjoy the convenience and deliciousness that this air fryer brings to the table. Now you might be thinking, Gordon mate, this all sounds too good to be true. And I get it, I really do. When you hear about an appliance that promises to revolutionize your cooking, make your meals healthier, and save you time, it's natural to be a bit skeptical. After all, we've all been burned by products that didn't live up to the hype. There's gotta be a catch, right? I mean, nothing in life is perfect. And that includes kitchen gadgets. And you know what? You're half right. While this air fryer is a game changer in many ways, it's not entirely without its quirks and limitations. This air fryer is bloody brilliant, but it's not entirely without its quirks. Let's dive into some of the things you might want to consider before making the leap. Let's address the elephant in the room, shall we? The first thing you'll notice is its size. This thing is a bit of a unit. It's not exactly compact, and if you're working with a small kitchen, it might feel like it's taking over your entire counter. If you've got a kitchen the size of a postage stamp, you might want to invest in a smaller model. But here's the thing. Even if space is at a premium, the benefits might just outweigh the inconvenience. But honestly, even if you're working with limited counter space, I'd say this air fryer is worth clearing out a few cupboards for. You might need to get a bit creative with your storage solutions, but it's doable. Another minor gripe: the touchscreen interface. It's sleek and modern, but it does come with a bit of a learning curve. Now I know I just finished praising its user-friendliness, and I stand by that. For most people, it's intuitive and easy to use. But if you're a technophobe who still struggles with the concept of a mobile phone, you might need to spend a few minutes familiarizing yourself with the controls. It's not rocket science, but it does require a bit of patience. But trust me, it's a piece of cake, even for you lot. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, while there are a few minor drawbacks, the pros far outweigh the cons. This air fryer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, big or small. Chapter 3. Features. It's got bells and whistles, but can it cook? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty, shall we? When it comes to kitchen gadgets, it's easy to get lost in the sea of options. But this air fryer stands out, and not just because of its sleek design. It's time to see what makes this appliance a must-have for any kitchen. This air fryer is more than just a pretty face. It's designed to be the ultimate kitchen companion, combining style with functionality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this device promises to elevate your cooking game. It's packed with features that'll make you want to ditch your oven for good. Imagine having the power to roast, bake, and fry all in one compact machine. The convenience it offers is unparalleled. First up, the 8-quart capacity. This isn't just a minor detail, it's a game changer. With this much space, you can prepare meals for the whole family in one go. No more batch cooking or juggling multiple pans. I know I've mentioned it before, but it's worth repeating. This thing is massive. The sheer size of the basket means you can cook larger items like a whole chicken or a big batch of fries without any hassle. You can fit a whole chicken in there, for crying out loud. And the touchscreen controls? They're not just a gimmick. These controls are designed to make your life easier, offering a seamless cooking experience. They're not just a gimmick. The touchscreen interface is user-friendly and highly responsive. It allows you to navigate through various cooking functions effortlessly, making the entire process smooth and enjoyable. They're responsive, intuitive, and make navigating the various cooking functions an absolute breeze. You won't find yourself fumbling with buttons or struggling to set the right temperature and time. But the real star of the show is the SmartCrisp technology. This isn't just another buzzword, it's a revolutionary feature that sets this air fryer apart from the rest. This innovative feature uses high-performance circular heat technology to deliver crispy, evenly cooked food every single time. No more guessing games or unevenly cooked meals, no more soggy bottoms or unevenly cooked messes. The SmartCrisp technology ensures that every bite is as delicious as the last, giving you perfect results with minimal effort. This air fryer is a game changer. It's designed to make your cooking experience not just easier, but also more enjoyable. You'll find yourself looking forward to using it every day. And let's not forget about the sleek stainless steel design. This air fryer isn't just functional, it's also a stylish addition to any kitchen. Its modern look will complement any decor. This air fryer isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a statement piece. It shows that you value both form and function, and that you're serious about your cooking. It'll look right at home in any modern kitchen. So, if you're looking to upgrade your cooking game and add a touch of elegance to your kitchen, this air fryer is the perfect choice. Chapter 4. Price and model number. Pay attention, you won't get this deal twice. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, shall we? The price. This PRO SmartCrisp 8-quart touchscreen air fryer, model number 90223, can be yours for the ridiculously low price of $59.99. That's right, you heard me correctly. This is not a drill, people. This is a steal. For the price of a takeaway meal, you can have a kitchen appliance that will change the way you cook forever. Chapter 5. Deal end time. Tick-tock, time is running out. Now listen up, you lot, because I'm only going to say this once. This incredible deal won't last forever. In fact, you've only got 7 hours, 40 minutes, and 51 seconds to claim your very own PRO SmartCrisp air fryer at this ridiculously low price. After that, it's gone. Vanished. You'll be back to paying full price, and let me tell you, you'll be kicking yourself for missing out on this offer. Outro final thoughts, stop fawning, start cooking. So what are you waiting for? This Bella Pro SmartCrisp air fryer is a game changer. With its 4.8 out of 5-star rating and glowing reviews, you know you're getting a quality product. Don't be a lazy sod and miss out on this incredible deal. Head over to the link in the description box below and grab yours before they're all gone. And while you're at it, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews and cooking tips that'll make you feel like you've got your own personal Gordon Ramsay in your back pocket. Now go forth and cook something delicious.